Yeah, the freaking power, man. That thing's got some freaking power. Plus this too, it literally lurches you forward, literally. So this is the Element with the comfort package. Big old fat seat, rack, suspension post. Oh, that's actually suspension handlebar stem. Connect. And seat post? Oh, wow. Cool. All right, let's do a quick zoom. All right. We're on the Pedego Element with the it's 1600 or so stock, and I'm wearing my mask. I took it off. It's 1600 or so stock, and I'm using the this one has the comfort package. So it's got a really big, cruiser type seat. It's got the Connect handlebar stem suspension. It's got the suspension seat post, and this one goes for like 2200, I believe. And it's got 5 levels of pedal assist, and then throttle only. And it's got, I believe, 6 gears and a 48-volt battery, 10 amp hour. And I know this is a pretty popular bike. Not necessarily the comfort package one, but just the bike in general is pretty popular. And a lot of people are asking me about this on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook. What about the Element? What do you think about the Element? So I can tell you it's pretty cool. I'm not a big fan of bikes without suspension, so I like this one because it's got the suspension seat post, which I'm bouncing. It's got the suspension handlebars, which I really like. I don't know that I'd want it if it didn't. You know what I mean? So I'm a big fan of like having suspension. So with all that built in, you're up to like 2200 bucks though. So I'm not sure, but I like it. It goes about 20 miles an hour. Let's put it in pedal assist 2. Wow. Pedal assist 1, not much. Pedal assist 2, it literally lurches you forward, literally. Pedal assist 3 lurches you forward. Wow, this thing's got some power, people. They make their own motors. Or no, they don't. It's a Pedego branded motor, but they make it in Japan. They're OEMing somebody's motor from Japan. And the motor's it's 500 watt, but Jesus, really? I'm telling you people, this thing's got some freaking power. Wow. For a 500 watt hub with a 10 amp hour battery, 48 volt, this thing's got some freaking power. Wow. I'm like very pleasantly surprised. Very pleasantly surprised. And I'm digging the handlebar suspension Connect. I'm digging the handlebar, or the seat post suspension. It definitely works. Never tried a bike with that before. It definitely works. If you don't feel this, you don't feel the bumps. It's not the same as having built-in suspension, but the end result's the same. And yeah, the freaking power, man. That thing's got some freaking power. Who knew? 500 watt hub motor. They make it out of Japan. She said that it's really powerful, and I'm like, really? But yeah, it is. Wow. 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 I'm a fan. This is something. It's comfortable, people. And it's powerful. And it's beefy. And it's got 20 by 4-inch Kenda tires. Puncture resistant. It's got built-in fenders. Or excuse me, it's got fenders. It has quick release front wheel. And it's got the dual, like the chain guard, if you will, like the sprocket cover. Has, it's kind of got the chain rides in between it. So it's not going to pop off, And yeah, it says 20 miles an hour, but damn, it's feeling like more than that. I mean, it is 20 miles an hour, but like, you get there fast. Thing's got some torque. It's got some power, people. Yeah, I'm like really digging the power on this thing for 500 watt. So, I mean, you could probably, compared to most bikes that are 500 watt, you probably would want to compare this to more of like a 750 watt, This thing is a heck of a lot more powerful than the Rad Runner. It's a heck of a lot more powerful than the Rad Rover. And they both have, quote unquote, 750 watt. So, wow. Big fan. Loving the bike. Loving the comfort package. And yeah, it's just nice. Really nice. Like, I like the integrated battery. It doesn't, like, it kind of conforms to part of the frame. It doesn't just stick out. And like the fenders. Tektro Aries brakes. Looks like 160-inch rotors. It's hard to tell. Yeah, I think it's 160-inch rotors. So not the biggest rotors. So, but it still has really good stopping power. I was impressed. And this one is a rack. And yeah, overall nice bike. And here's the display. So it's got power. It's got miles per hour, odometer, pedal assist level, trip odometer, the time, I guess the duration it looks like, and it tells you your max speed, which was 21 actually, so I went faster than 20. Maybe with pedal assist you go a little faster. But anyway, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. God bless, peace out.